John von Neumann bridged pure math, computing, and physics. He formalized set theory and game theory, helped found computer architecture, and advanced quantum mechanics and shockwaves. Fun fact: the classic von Neumann architecture still underlies most computers today. Andrei Kolmogorov axiomatized probability, turning randomness into rigorous measure theory. He reshaped turbulence, complexity, and dynamical systems. Fun fact: Kolmogorov complexity measures how compressible information is, an idea with deep echoes in computing. Kurt Gödel's incompleteness theorems transformed logic, showing that any consistent formal system, rich enough for arithmetic, has true statements it cannot prove. He also worked on relativity. Fun fact: Gödel and Einstein were close friends, often walking Princeton together. Alan Turing founded theoretical computer science with the Turing machine and defined computability. He broke Nazi Enigma codes and drafted ideas for AI and morphogenesis. Fun fact: the Turing Award, computing's Nobel, is named in his honor. Paul Erdős roamed the world solving problems with hundreds of collaborators, fueling combinatorics, number theory, and graph theory. His Erdős number playfully tracks co-authorship distance. Fun fact: he carried a suitcase and a notepad saying, "My brain is open." Claude Shannon created information theory, defining entropy and channel capacity. He showed how to quantify and transmit information reliably through noise. Fun fact: he built juggling robots and a unicycle riding machine between breakthroughs. Alexander Grothendieck revolutionized algebraic geometry with schemes, sheaves, and new notions of space, unifying vast areas of math. Fun fact: his seminars ran for hours, attracting students who became leaders themselves. Jean-Pierre Serre connected topology, geometry, and number theory, pioneering spectral sequences and modern cohomology. He won the Fields Medal at 27. Fun fact: Serre's elegant exposition set a standard for clarity in research papers. Michael Atiyah linked geometry and analysis with the Atiyah-Singer index theorem, tying solutions of differential equations to topology. Fun fact: his collaborations bridged physics and mathematics, influencing gauge theory. Stephen Smale advanced topology and dynamical systems. His work on the horseshoe map illuminated chaos. He proved the higher dimensional Poincare conjecture. Fun fact: Smale reportedly devised ideas while on a beach, earning Nath's most famous beach anecdote. John Milnor discovered exotic spheres, manifolds topologically like spheres but smoothly different, and transformed topology and dynamics. Fun fact: he has won the Fields Medal, Abel Prize, and Wolf Prize, a rare triple. Andrew Wiles proved Fermat's last theorem by connecting it to elliptic curves and modular forms, completing the modularity program. Fun fact: he worked in near secrecy for years before unveiling the proof. Grigory Perelman solved the Poincare conjecture using Ricci flow with surgery, reshaping geometric analysis. Fun fact: he declined the Fields Medal and the Clay $1 Million Prize, preferring privacy. Terence Tao ranges across analysis, number theory, and combinatorics, from PDEs to primes. He's known for deep insights and prolific collaboration. Fun fact: Tao was a child prodigy who began university at age 9. Maryam Mirzakhani studied the geometry and dynamics of surfaces, moduli spaces, and geodesics, revealing new structures in low-dimensional topology. Fun fact: she was the first woman to win the Fields Medal.